Well, Billy DeMoss is the first person that I saw speak, and kind of, I didn't realize that you could be like such a out-of-the-box kind of, I don't know, healer, I guess. So that kind of, like I said, changed the whole idea that I had about it.
My favorite, Dr. Josh Ack.
Oh, that's really hard.
It's just a combination of speakers. Every speaker is different. You take something from each one of them, and it's just the atmosphere. You got a rock band that comes out in the middle of the speakers. Unbelievable. I love it.
Excited to see Dean Harrison.
You know, I look forward to all of them every year. There's such a wide variety every year. I enjoyed everybody that spoke this morning. You get your nutrition, which is always interesting, but then you like the fire and get in your head type of a guy, too, that started out the program. So
I know I'm a big fan of Guy Rickman, so I'm looking forward to that.
There's so many good ones. How could you have the one favorite?